Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how to withdraw crypto from Trust Wallet to PayPal. First of all, you're supposed to search up Boom Change and you go to the Boom Change website. Once you do that, you put the amount of crypto that you want to withdraw and then you add your PayPal email and your email address and click continue. After that, you are asked to confirm the details of the exchange and agree with the T's and C's. Once you agree, you're supposed to click confirm and you'll be taken to a separate page where you'll be provided with an address link. Once you get here, copy the address link, then go to Trust Wallet. When you get to Trust Wallet, search Tether and then click on USDT. Click the first USDT, click send and paste the address link that you copied previously and put in the amount of crypto that you'd like to send to your PayPal. After this is done, go back to Boom Change and click on the I have paid and the process will complete in 10 to 16 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video any helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And have a good day.